The low-maintenance garden revolution. Grow more with less in 2025. As urban life becomes more hectic and climate patterns more unpredictable, the desire to create a peaceful, productive space in our own backyards is booming. In 2025, the low-maintenance garden trend continues to gain popularity, offering beauty, food, and mental wellness without the overwhelming upkeep. Gardeners are shifting away from ornamental-only designs and embracing smart, sustainable layouts that blend food production, visual appeal, and eco-friendly practices. The backbone of this movement is the use of perennial vegetables and native plants. Unlike traditional vegetables that need replanting each season, perennials like asparagus, rhubarb, sorrel, and walking onions come back year after year. When paired with native flowers like echinacea or bee balm, these plants create a vibrant, self-sustaining ecosystem that attracts pollinators and repels pests naturally. Raised beds, vertical gardening frames, and modular containers are also gaining ground, offering easy-to-manage zones and better control over soil conditions, even on balconies or rooftops. Mulching with biodegradable covers and using drip irrigation cuts down weeding and watering time, letting your garden practically care for itself. In small space gardening, 2025 is all about stacking productivity. Tower gardens and pallet planters continue to trend upward, literally. A single vertical structure can yield herbs, strawberries, leafy greens, and even root vegetables with the right setup. This year's innovation is modular wall panels with smart sensors that alert gardeners when plants need water or nutrients. Perfect for forgetful or busy city dwellers. Companion planting is also a strong theme. Basil with tomatoes, carrots with leeks, or marigolds with just about anything not only save space but also enhance flavor and reduce pests. By combining smart layouts with nature's own synergy, small urban gardens become lush microfarms. The vegetable garden in 2025 isn't just for food. It's for mental health and biodiversity too. Mindful gardening is a key buzzword this year, with plots designed to appeal to the senses, soft-textured plants, edible flowers, and fragrant herbs that transform gardening into a therapeutic ritual. Lavender, lemon balm, and calendula are as calming to tend as they are beautiful. Many gardeners are also integrating insect hotels, bird baths, and frog ponds, even in small gardens, to create wildlife havens. Not only does this support local ecosystems, but it also helps manage pests the natural way, reducing reliance on chemicals. Even composting is being rethought. 2025's most popular models are odor-free bokashi bins and compact with fluctuating grocery prices and increasing demand for organic produce. More households are turning to micro-farming. Grow what you eat is the rule, with families focusing on high-yield, fast-growing crops like kale, cherry tomatoes, snap peas, and bush beans. Seed libraries, garden sharing networks, and local bartering markets have taken root in cities around the world. QR-coded plant tags now let gardeners scan for instant care tips, harvest tracking, and recipe ideas. In 2025, the vegetable garden is not just a place of growth. It's a lifestyle choice rooted in resilience, community, and calm.